Boom. What's poppin'? It's S.Y.N in this. What's going on? Okay. So, about to do the chicken nugget challenge.
Chicken nugget.
We, as y'all can see, dressed up and matching and all that. You know, we
This cute, right,
looking
y'all?
good. So yeah, we about to head to McDonald's real quick, get some nuggets, and do a challenge.
About to get like 120 of them. So it's like we have to eat 40 each? Yeah, 40 nuggets each.
Ooh, cha. The pink slime.
I ain't fat for nothing.
So, we see y'all in a little bit. Go back.
All right,
So,
y'all.
we're at McDonald's now, and about to order our nuggets.
Do you guys still have the 40 piece?
Yes, we do.
Can I have an order of those?
Just hang on 3 orders of those.
Oh, that's true.
What kind of sauce?
Sweet and sour. Can I have 3 of them?
Yes.
3.
Well, 3 of the 40
40
piece
piece?
nuggets. Yeah, sorry about that.
All sweet and sour?
Can you just mix it up like barbecue and sweet and sour?
And ranch.
And ranch?
All right.
And that's it? That's it? That'd be all.
Your total will be $25.53.
Thank you.
So you guys, now they have us waiting for these nuggets, which I knew because it's McDonald's, of course, and they never have anything. So we gotta stay away from the nuggets.
I ain't even mad though, because you know there's 120 nuggets.
All I know is they better not try me with 3 sauces.
You get 6.
Whoop. He do. 6 sauces for 40 nuggets.
Shit. I use like 2 sauces for a 10 piece.
So you be saucing it up, huh?
I do.
Saucing
Like I
it
have to dip my
up.
nuggets. Like
Hey.
it gotta be. My nuggets gotta be like wet. Like drenched. I don't like that dry
She
nugget
gonna have
shit.
heartburn.
All that pink slime in
Yeah.
our chest.
Oh, y'all ordered some fries too, y'all. I had to spice it up a little
She
bit.
bold.
A
It's not I.
medium too. Them hoes gonna eat something.
And she knows she's not gonna eat it.
Who? I
She
mean
not.
my nuggets and
She
my
not.
fries.
She not.
I like I got a church lady ponytail.
Hell no. They don't be having that
You better play with
They
her.
be having a fake ponytail up. I'm freaking dead. No way. But yeah, y'all, we just waiting on our nuggets, so that's about it. We'll see y'all when we get back to the dorm.
No, we'll see y'all when they hand us our nuggets.
Yeah, she
That
right.
part.
Deuce.
What's popping, guys?
We back.
So, out to the chicken nugget challenge. We got our nuggets on deck.
We're each eating 40 nuggets.
Got the sauces. You know, McDonald's kind of McDonald's, so we only got 6 sauces each. But you know,
Y'all, look at this shit. I asked for sweet and sour, right? They give me 3 freaking sauces. I mean, freaking sauces.
No,
they
there's
give you
6.
6.
Oh, I didn't see all those.
Don't do McDonald's
I
like
didn't
that.
see all.
Don't
Okay.
do McDonald's like that. They ain't that stingy.
So, we about to try. We should spice it up a bit. We got a time limit.
12 minutes.
Yeah,
Time
time's supposed to be
12
12 minutes. Wait,
All right, what time is it right now?
I'm gonna set a timer.
Okay, bet. Spice it up a bit.
Oh, I'm just eating fries for fun. I like to eat fries.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just opening a couple of these. Don't start it. Yes, please.
That was good.
You want her?
All right.
I
So, show them the timer.
12. I don't know if I see that, but it's 12 minutes.
12
on there
minutes. Y'all
somewhere.
probably can't see it.
Yeah, they can't see
But
it.
12 minutes. About to does this.
Yeah, be ready.
Ready?
All right. Ready?
Set and start timer.
Y'all, look at Nilly Rant. Gone.
Oh, this mother. Yeah. I'm having a whole nugget. Whatever. I don't have time to be mad. I could get 2 more in. Got to. My next box, y'all.
I feel like man versus food.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all.
This is crazy. What's your leg?
My fault. My cheeks hurt.
No, it really does make your cheeks hurt.
I ain't never chewed this fast before, guys. Oh, we failed. It's past 12 minutes.
No, it's not. 8.
When we start recording the video for you.
6. Y'all hear that timer?
Yeah,
Now our time is up.
Add that on that. We failed.
Yeah, because I'm only at like, what? This is my 22nd, I think. Nowhere near it. Well,
I ate like 5 minutes left. I ate like 5 minutes left.
if you would have not smacked you.
Oh, you're sick.
Well, guys, we tried, okay? We tried. This is the most nuggets I've ever eaten in my life, so.
Man.
I ate 26.
Never eaten 26 nuggets before.
Mm-mm.
I could have kept going though. But I'm not. My cheeks hurt. Oh, so you're mad. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's the whole box.
12, 13,
14, 15, 17, 18. The whole box. I ate like 2 out of the box. My cheeks really hurt. Like, really hurt. Well, that was that on that. I tried. I finished the box though.
I did finish the box.
No, I'm really full right now.
I'm really not full. I think it's not fat, you know? But I think my cheeks hurt though.
That shit all in my gums.
Yeah.
My cheeks really hurt. I don't chew nothing else for the next day.
As soon as we say, Millie, let's go to anywhere, she'll be like, okay. No, it's not.
Excuse me.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. Just make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Do all that.
Actually, subscribe too. Because some of y'all watching these videos. Some of y'all watching these videos and not subscribing. I'll get 108 views and still got 27 subscribers. How does that work? And if they don't subscribe, they don't subscribe.
Anyway, thanks. Bye. See you guys next time.
Hey, these fries kind of good even though they cold.
Anyway, guys, bye. Stop the video.